A car battery charger can restore a depleted battery or maintain a battery you don't frequently use. We've studied and tested several of the best car battery chargers, so we could suggest the fastest, most reliable models. A quality charger can extend car battery life if used properly. There are many products available to choose best car battery charger, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Schumacher Fully Automatic Battery Charger. Schumacher is a very popular name when it comes to car accessories such as car batteries, jump starters, and even car battery chargers. Therefore, we are starting our list with the following car battery charger from Schumacher. In the first place, we have the Schumacher SC1280. Compared to most other budget car battery chargers on the market, this is quite a decent choice since this is a fully automatic car battery charger with support for 6 as well as 12 volts car batteries. There is a microprocessor on the inside of the Schumacher SC1280, offering automatic adjustments for the amperage setting and supporting multi-stage charging. Thus, you can rest assured that the Schumacher SC1280 can safely charge your car's battery whilst extending its lifespan. Plus, there are button controls provided on the front for ease of use. Number 2. TowerTop Smart Battery Charger. There are a lot of brands like TowerTop that offer a decent option for a car battery charger in the premium price category. But only a few of these options are as versatile as the one present here. In the second position, we are putting the TowerTop Smart Battery Charger. For starters, it offers a multi-amp rating ranging from 2 amps to 25 amps. The TowerTop Smart Battery Charger uses a 7-step charging program to ensure the perfect safety of your battery while it is charging. The engine start aid feature on the TowerTop Smart Battery Charger will make your battery from dead to ready to go within just 120 seconds. Since this is also a smart battery charger, it can detect the connected battery voltage and select the perfect charging mode for your battery. Number 3. Ctek Fully Automatic Battery Charger. While we are on the topic of premium car battery chargers, we must introduce you to the following option from Ctek. Ctek specializes in a lot of car accessories, especially the ones that are essential and can be handy in the event of an emergency. The Ctek 40-206 MXS is yet another great option coming from the premium category of car battery chargers available on our list. The Ctek 40-206 MXS has a built-in temperature compensator and voltage compensator that can ensure an effective charging performance in all weather conditions and prevent overheating of the battery. This charger can also determine whether your battery needs desulfation or reconditioning and apply the method to recover the battery up to its optimal state. From the outside, the Ctek 40-206 MXS is completely splashing and dustproof. Plus, there are added safety features for reverse polarity, short circuits, and sparks. Number 4. Ably Car Battery Charger. Ably is also bringing a great budget option for a car battery charger on our list. It is also a versatile option designed to work with standard automotive batteries as well as heavier batteries with high voltage requirements. The Ably Car Battery Charger is also a similarly cheaper option on this list like the one we saw before. You will be able to use this charger for 12 volts as well as 24 volts batteries. But the amperage rating for both of these options is 8 and 4 amps respectively. The Ably Car Battery Charger also offers a wide range of compatibility, offering support for AM, EFB, MF, flooded, SLA, and even VRLA car batteries. There is a special pulse repair function available on the Ably Car Battery Charger that can remove vulcanization and repair batteries that are slightly damaged. With that, you can expect stronger battery performance and the quicker engine starts once you start treating your battery with this charger. Number 5. Nexbiak 10-amp Car Battery Charger. Nexbiak is bringing yet another cheaper alternative for a car battery charger that can offer great performance for most types of car batteries. In fact, it is arguably the cheapest option available on this list. The Nexbiak car battery charger is certainly a car battery charger that offers many great features at such an affordable price tag. On top of that, this charger supports 10 amps charging at 12 volts, offering a rapid charging mode for standard 12 volts batteries. The Nexbiak car battery charger offers 8 levels of charging protection while you are using the charger. It includes protection against a variety of electrical anomalies such as overheating, reverse polarity, overcurrent, fire hazards, and many others. Using this charger is also pretty simple since you won't have to calibrate any parameters. Simply plug your battery into the unit and wait until the charger does the maintenance job for you.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.